Hi guys, we received this portable folding camping stove for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's nice because it's really easy to carry and it's rust proof and you can take it with you whenever you need it. We have the connection hose right here, okay, and in here, very well protected with foam, we have the proper main unit with its carrying case. As you can see, it's really small. Doesn't take that much long, so it's perfect to go camping or any outdoors activities. Let's open it up. We have the main unit right here in this bag, and we also have the instruction manuals, okay, on how to use it, the ignition, how to turn it on, all the parameters, and everything that we need to know, okay, which I think it's really great. This is the proper main unit. Okay, as you can see, it's really nice. We have the lock in here, and we open it up like this. We have it ready. We have all the needed. We control it right here, which I think that it's nice. And it has these two grills, one for each side. This and like this, okay? That way we have two sides where to cook, which I think that it's really great. Okay, I'm gonna connect the connecting hose. Hose right here. This it's secure, and I'm gonna take a propane tank to place it in here, okay, and now that we have it ready to turn it on, we just need to move this knob and press the ignition button right here, and it will turn up the flame, which I think that it's pretty nice. So what I'm gonna do is bring all the things that I need to make a breakfast to test it out, okay? Come on. Okay, now it's on. I'm just gonna wait till my pan gets up to heat. And I'm gonna drizzle some oil. And I'm gonna do 2 eggs. And now let's just wait. Okay guys, as you can see, it has a really nice foldable design that it's perfect to go camping, hiking or backpacking, with a metal lock and a non-slip pot rack design, and I think it's really useful. Also, with the adjustable knobs, we can set the temperature at different levels to cook different stuff, and it's really easy to clean and maintain, as all the major parts are really easy to disassemble, clean and be reassembled, okay? We can cook everything from boiling water to even grilling some burgers with the 2 high power burners. Okay, and as you can see, it's really easy to use, and I think that it's great to take it with you. It's really small, and I like that it folds itself so you can take it with you like in a carrying bag, which I think that it's really useful. And overall, I like it a lot, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.